On December 4, Euro NCAP announced the 2024 safety crash test results on its official website. Deep Blue S07 successfully won the individual championship by receiving 5 stars in adult protection, child protection, pedestrian protection, and overall assessment in active safety. This is not only Changan Automobile's first model to receive a Euro NCAP 5-star safety rating, but also means that Changan Automobile has further improved its automobile production level in the past 40 years and represents a new level in China's automobile production level. It is known that winning Euro NCAP is equivalent to winning an entrance ticket to overseas markets. The reason I say this is because Euro NCAP is recognized as one of the most rigorous and authoritative safety testing organizations in the world. The safety performance evaluation test results it conducts on vehicles are an important reference for global consumers when purchasing cars. In Euro NCAP's 5-star crash test, adult protection is the key indicator for measuring the safety performance of the car. The reason why Deep Blue S07 won the Adult Protection Single Championship is that it builds a fortress-level safe space for adult passengers. The entire vehicle uses 7 vertical and 7 horizontal, level 5 all-round protection. High-strength steel accounts for more than 70% of the entire vehicle. The passenger compartment adopts the mature platform EPA-1 architecture, specially created for electric vehicles. These designs achieve this during high-speed collisions. It can provide a more optimized collision buffer and provide users with more comprehensive safety protection. The vehicle has a 5-star safety grade with collision resistance, and the entire vehicle has passed dozens of crash tests from the front, rear, side, top and bottom, all round and without blind spots, and can withstand a higher level. Passive safety is the last line of defense in the event of an accident. Deep Blue S07 uses rich active safety configurations to prevent accidents as much as possible. The car is equipped with a class-leading collision avoidance system that combines more than 10 functions, such as forward collision warning, FCW, rear collision warning, RCW, blind spot monitoring and warning, BSD, and automatic emergency braking, AEB. In addition, Deep Blue S07 is also equipped with functions such as image assistance, transparent chassis, and steep descent, enabling real-time monitoring of the surrounding environment and early warning, whether on a wide highway or in a narrow, crowded city center. Deep Blue S07 can quickly identify potential risks and make corresponding adjustments to effectively prevent and reduce the possibility of accidents. In fact, Deep Blue S07's safety performance goes far beyond hard resistance and collision avoidance. It also shows its excellence in high-speed driving and parking, and even in terms of battery safety, which attracts much attention. Now is the era of intelligence, and Deep Blue S07 is the first technologically new mainstream SUV under 200,000 yuan, equipped with Huawei Chenkuan intelligent driving, providing people with a safer, smarter and smoother driving experience. Battery safety is considered the lifeline of new energy vehicles, and Deep Blue S07 also shows extraordinary strength in this field. It is equipped with CATL's Shunqing series batteries and jointly developed the Golden Bell battery system, which won the second prize of the National Science and Technology Progress Award. For automobiles, safety is the greatest luxury and should not be overemphasized. This time, Deep Blue S07 won the Euro NCAP 5-star safety rating, which is not only the recognition of safety performance, but also the approval of Deep Blue Automotive's technical strength.